All right, guys, here we have the all-new 2021 Lamborghini Huracan STO. We're gonna take a walk around and get close up with some of the details. This ad personam paint is called Blue Lafay. This car features the Huracan contrast details. In the front, you'll see all the gloss carbon. It looks sick, super aggressive. It also comes with the white vinyl contrast details. This car is all ad personam, so these details are all painted by hand at the factory, which looks great on the gloss carbon. Up front, we have the Cafango, which features seamless details. So if you look at it, the front bonnet, the hood, the fenders, and the front bumper are all one piece, which is amazing. Clamshell opening. As we come around the side, we see the nice carbon details in the fender. The fenders are a lot wider than the standard Huracan. We also have the sick center lock wheels with Huracan calipers. If you come around the side, you can see how wide the car really is. Details are beautiful. Going along with the ad personam theme, we have the STO logo painted by hand at the factory. When you come down along the bottom, we have the rockers that are also painted. So you have the Huracan details that come up along the side, and you have the gloss black details as well. Nice contrasting colors. As we make our way inside the car, you'll see, unlike the Performante, the door handles do still pop out. As we make our way inside, we get the STO graphic, steering wheel, Alcantara, the blue power strip on the top, the door card, matte carbon, super smooth finish, the door strap and the pull strap. Entertainment system, similar to the Evo, but all new graphic details and a lot more features. The sport seat featuring the STO graphic, embroidered Lamborghini logo on the headrest, full carbon everywhere. Just sick details. Matching blue stitching, two-tone seat, orange piping, orange stitching, and blue inserts. Really amazing. These seats move in all the directions. You don't have to worry about them being painful like a racing bucket seat. They move forward, back, slide, tilt, up and down. One of my favorite features on the interior is the glove box finished in these carbon details, which is amazing. Come over here to the infotainment. It's got a different setup than your standard Huracan Evo. We'll go over those more in depth in the next video. As we come around the back of the car, from the rear fender, you can also see how much wider this car is from your standard Huracan. There's also some pretty sick intake details along the rear quarter. Above the car, we have the gloss painted roof with the roof scoop. The roof and scoop both feature the Huracan details as well as the rear bonnet. Get a sneak peek of the motor back there. The shark fin is all carbon with white vinyl decal. On the rear of the car, if you creep down low, you see how wide it is. It just sticks out. The fenders really flare out. You'll also see that this ducktail lip actually sticks out and flares up a lot more than your standard Huracan. Around the back, we've got the laser engraved details, STO, more carbon on the diffuser. The diffuser carbon goes all the way through the bottom, which looks amazing. The exhaust details, really sick. They tie in a lot of the same shapes throughout all the details on the car, inside and out. Lamborghini did a great job with this rear spoiler. Kept true to that super Trofeo look directly from the race cars. Fully functional, super aggressive. And it all ties in with this rear bonnet, as well as this rear shark fin. Really sick details. The rear spoiler is in all carbon. And then you have the Arancio painted details along the sides. And then when you come out here, you can see this wide, really super wide rear quarter. Let's just get a quick 360 walk around so you can see just how wide this car is. All of the amazing details. One of the crazy things about this car is that all of the body panels have been redesigned from the standard Huracan, except for the doors and the roof. Everything else, fully functional and all redesigned specifically for the Huracan STO. Just look how wide it is. It's insane, super aggressive. It almost looks like all the body kits that everyone's doing aftermarket. Lamborghini decided to give you exactly what you wanted, straight from the factory. Thank you guys for watching my Huracan STO video. This was the first walk around video. This is the only car in the US right now. I appreciate you staying tuned. Please subscribe. Watch out for some more footage, possibly opening the Cafango in the rear bonnet, as well as maybe a little bit of driving. Stay tuned and I'll see you soon.